Hello, good morning, MMM. My name is Rianil B. Abelia. I am one of the active participants of this community from Western Samar. So I have been a member of the MMM community since May 2015. I would like to thank all the participants of this community, to Mr. Sergio Mavrodi for bringing up this system, and also to the participants assigned to my Get Help. It was last March 24 when one of my downline provided help in the amount of 25,000 pesos. So I was able to have in the amount of 2,800 in my Mavro. Then last April 7, I got help in the amount of 2,800 pesos coming from my referral bonus. So this is my referral bonus. Okay. So here are the participants assigned to my Get Help. Clara Oligo in the amount of 1,700 and Judith Amido in the amount of 1,100. So all in all, I got help in the amount of 2,800 pesos last April 7. So thank you very much, MMM, to all the members, to the participants assigned, to the whole community. Maraming salamat po. God bless.